Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tom yum fried rice with paste, an easy method for a delicious meal. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need cooked rice, your favorite protein like shrimp or chicken, and a good quality tom yum paste. Chop your vegetables and protein into small, manageable pieces. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a quick and flavorful dish. Now let's get cooking. Heat a wok or a large frying pan over medium-high heat with about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add your chosen protein, such as shrimp or chicken, and stir-fry until it's almost cooked through. Next, toss in your prepared vegetables like bell peppers, onions, or mushrooms. Continue to stir-fry for a few minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a nice bite. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Push your cooked protein and vegetables to one side of the pan. Add the cooked rice to the empty side, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice for about 1 minute to heat it through. Then, add the tom yum paste directly to the rice and vegetables. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the paste evenly coats every grain of rice and all the other ingredients. Continue to stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed, perhaps a dash of fish sauce or a pinch of sugar. Serve your delicious tom yum fried rice immediately, garnished with fresh cilantro, a wedge of lime, or a sprinkle of chopped green onions. It's a quick, flavorful meal perfect for any day. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade tom yum fried rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.